and welcome back to my channel. So this is the last part of the 3-part series of my Zodiac Fix My Makeup Challenge. I previously did my sun sign and my moon sign, so if you haven't checked those out, the links will be down in the description below. So make sure to go check out those videos so you can kind of get updated. And now for my 3rd sign, which is my ascending sign. I am a Virgo ascending. So if you know anything about astrology, you will know that that is kind of a chaotic mix. A sun Aries, a moon Pisces, already contradict themselves. So with the strong head of a Virgo, it's a wild ride of emotions. Anyways, I'm so glad you guys have followed me throughout this series. I think all the looks have been pretty good, pretty successful so far. So I've been pretty proud of myself lately because of those looks. Let's hope the Virgo one is just the same. And I was thinking about doing my boyfriend's zodiac signs as well. So if you guys would like to see that, make sure to comment down below and give this video a like. That way I know that that's what you guys want to see. So yeah, if you guys want to see the last portion of my Zodiac Picks My Makeup Challenge, then keep on watching. Camera, I did prime my eyes. I'm just giving them one last buff right here real quick. And I'm feeling pretty good for the Virgo eye. This is something I've definitely done before. It seems the color is mostly distributed right here on the outer edge. And it's a nice smoky purple. And then with the kind of nude right there. So perfectly fine. We can do this. This is actually pretty easy in my opinion, since it is something I've done before. I'm feeling pretty confident. So yeah, let's get to doing these eyes. What I want to do is not struggle with that cream color and finding the perfect cream shade. So I'm just gonna dust some setting powder on these eyes so then I don't have to worry about that at all. So I'm going to start off with just a purple shade. I'm just going to use Root Canal from the Blood Sugar palette. And I'm just going to start placing that right here. Keeping it mostly focused on this outer edge, like it is in the picture, which I don't mind at all. This purple is also a bit pinkier purple than that one is. So I'm gonna go in with a brush. Go into what I think is more of that purple. Like that true purple. Yeah, there we go. I think that's what we were looking for. Now I'm going to take a clean blending brush. It doesn't look very clean, but trust me, it's clean. And we're just gonna really buff out those edges. Adding black to any eye look really can be tricky, so remember, be patient and layer it on. It's okay if you need to dip in a couple times, because black can ruin an eye look so fast. I'm going again with my clean blending brush, just blending all of that. I think this is looking fantabulous. So what I want to do is clean up the little right there. I don't really want to cut it because, I mean, it kind of does seem like it's cut a little bit. Let's see. Let's see if we can achieve it with just pure eyeshadow first. I think that looks pretty cleaned up. I'm actually going to line now. I'm going to do I'm going to do the inner corner highlight and this because they do create that point in the middle. So I'm just going to take this Ciate London palette. I think it's the Velvet palette. And there's this really pretty shimmer shade that I want to go in with.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes.
So I'm actually going to do my bottom real quick, and I'll be right back. So as you can see, the bottom lash line really wasn't much. It was just adding that purple down here and a little bit of black. So now time to do the liner. Sorry if I'm quiet, it is hard in my opinion to do a really good liner while talking.
An imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
And now to do the point. Yep. That's one side done. Well, not super wet anymore. I like to start on the other edge and press. I'll work towards the inner. Press. Then I kind of just hold it there so it can glue properly. And in this photo you can tell they are wearing lashes. Anyways, this is the eye so far. I'm absolutely loving it. So I'm just going to do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what both eyes completed looks like. And my favorite part of this all is definitely the lips. If you follow me for a while, you know that I kind of have a tendency to love to do really bright, pretty eyeshadows and add a black lipstick. A lot of people are like, huh, kind of punky, kind of weird, and I don't know if people like it, but I love it, so that's all that matters. And surprisingly, this Zodiac, the lips for Virgo are, yep, you've guessed it, black lips. This is going to turn this smoky, gorgeous date night look into a punky, super hot, like, ugh, yes vibe. So I am totally living for it, and let's start doing the lips. I am overlining just a little. This looks very cute. Virgo looks like it's actually just short and then like a messy middle knot, maybe. Okay, get you guys a closer look. Alright guys, this is the final look for my Zodiac Picks My Makeup Challenge, my ascending sign, Virgo. I honestly love this. Dare I say this is my favorite of all three. This is totally my vibe and my style. I've actually done this a couple times. Actually, the black lip with the purple. I've done this a lot of times, and it's actually one of my favorites. So I'm definitely super happy with that. And I love how it looks, kind of spunky, edgy, but still like a little bit of color. So totally my vibe. Thank you guys so much for following me on this 3-part series. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you guys so much for watching my video and supporting my channel. Remember to subscribe down below and click the bell notifications. Make sure to click all so you will be notified every time I post. And yeah, make sure to follow my Instagram, my TikTok, and make sure to follow my shop's Instagram as well, as I am continually still working and building on that. So I really appreciate every single one of you. Thank you guys so much for all your support. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you may be, and I love you all. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.